English Unlocked.
The fun way to learn real English. Why do you study English for 10 long years, but when you turn on a Netflix movie, you understand absolutely nothing? They speak so fast, they use weird words, and you feel like a complete stranger.
It is because native speakers do not talk like a grammar textbook. A textbook teaches you formal rules, but the real world speaks in slang. Today, we are going to change that. We will bridge the gap between the classroom and the streets. Hello, everyone. I'm David.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back to English Unlocked, the fun way to learn. Today, we are smashing the textbook rules.
I give you the key.
I give you the action.
Welcome to English Unlocked.
All right, David, no more talking theory today. I want to start this video with an immediate action layout. We are jumping straight into our 60-second action plan right now, at the very beginning of the show.
Pushing us straight into action, huh? You read my mind, Emma. I like this energy. Everyone watching, get your vocal cords ready. We are going to practice 3 high-frequency, modern American slang phrases that appear in almost every single Netflix show today. I will say the sentence, and Emma will give you 3 seconds to repeat after us with total clarity. Forget the formal rules. Ready? Let's go. Phrase number 1. Use this when a party, a movie, or a place has a great, comfortable feeling. This coffee shop has a really good vibe. Perfect. Vibe means the emotional feeling of a place. Let's do it again. This coffee shop has a really good vibe.
Excellent. Now, phrase number 2. Use this when a situation or a movie is boring and you want to leave suddenly.
This show is boring. Let's bail.
Great job. To bail means to leave a dead situation. One more time.
This show is boring. Let's bail.
Excellent. Now, phrase number 3. Use this when you completely agree with a statement or find it relatable.
That is so real. I felt that.
Yes, real means authentic and honest. Repeat it one last time.
That is so real. I felt that. Brilliant work, everyone. See? By running our action plan right at the start, your tongue is already adapting to modern street language. You are instantly breaking out of the formal box.
Exactly. And this quick practice perfectly illustrates the massive problem that millions of our viewers experience every single day. I call it the textbook prison.
The textbook prison. Let me write that down with my fountain pen because it is a very accurate pattern. Many students memorize lists of formal words. They study old dialogues like, "How do you do?" and "I am fine, thank you, and you?" But when they land in Los Angeles or New York, nobody talks like that. The student feels totally clueless and completely isolated.
Exactly. My friend Paul told me a very painful story yesterday. He has an advanced English certificate. He can write a long corporate essay perfectly. But last weekend, he started watching a Hollywood comedy movie without subtitles, and he had to turn it off after 10 minutes. He felt so angry and sad. He thought, why did I waste 10 years of my life learning a language I can't even understand on TV?
It is a very frustrating feeling, but Paul doesn't need to blame himself. The problem is not his intelligence. The problem is that textbooks teach you the skeletal architecture of a language, but slang and culture are the actual blood. To understand modern media, you must learn how words change in daily life.
Yes, but David, how do we study slang without getting overwhelmed? There are thousands of slang words on the internet. Do we have to memorize another giant dictionary?
Absolutely not. That's a massive mistake. It's time to unlock your movie vocabulary. Here's the key: the high-frequency filter.
The high-frequency filter. How does it work for our language studies?
It means you completely ignore rare, strange slang words. You only focus on the top 10 or 20 words like vibe or bail that appear in almost every single conversation. If you master just these few flexible words, your listening comprehension will instantly jump by 50%.
Oh, wow. So we just filter out the academic junk and keep the cultural gold. Speaking of filtering, it's time for a sparkly tech check. I actually asked my AI buddy to find the most useful words in a long movie script this morning.
Oh, a movie vocabulary hack? Show us, Emma. How did technology protect your time today?
Well, instead of wasting hours watching a long movie to learn words, I copied a text dialogue from a modern Hollywood show into my phone app. I gave my AI assistant a clear role. I typed, "Act like a modern American scriptwriter, look at this dialogue text, identify the 3 most common slang words used by young people in 2026, and explain their meanings simply at a B1 level, and give me a relatable 2-sentence example for each."
That is an exceptionally smart instruction, Emma. It prevents the AI from giving you old historical vocabulary. What did it reply?
It delivered a beautiful, clean summary right to my smartwatch widget. It highlighted the word bail and explained that modern characters use it constantly when they feel uncomfortable or bored. I looked at my wrist layout, set a quick 10-minute practice timer, and read the AI examples out loud. By doing this, my ears get used to the natural speed, and my heart rate stays perfectly calm.
Exceptional work, Emma. You use technology to isolate the pure gold. That's the true power of consistency and modern tools. By interacting with real, live language for just 10 minutes a day, you build the physical muscle memory in your ears so that when you turn on Netflix, the sounds don't shock you anymore.
Exactly. Real English is so much more colorful. When you learn the correct slang, entertainment becomes fun again. You don't feel stressed, you just enjoy the story.
Exactly. Language is a living, breathing thing. It changes every single day. Textbooks take years to write, so they're always a little bit late. But when you observe real communication and use the high-frequency filter, you stay ahead of the game.
Yes. So your assignment for today is simple. Turn on your favorite English show tonight. Listen carefully for just 5 minutes. See if you can catch any of the modern slang we talked about today, like vibe, bail, or real. Let your smartwatch widget track your learning consistency.
Treat it like an open game. Relax your mind and let the natural sounds wash over you. We are incredibly proud of your courage to expand your boundaries.
Are you ready to speak real English? We want to see your energy. Go down to the comments right now and type the word real if you prefer learning real-world English over boring textbooks. Let's see who's ready to join our global family.
We read all your comments, and we love watching your confidence grow every single week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a key to your success.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep practicing, and
keep your English unlocked. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
And keep your English unlocked.